show you a few things outside
Sure.
the vehicle before we hop in. One thing I want to point out, there is a camera in the front. Side mirrors here as well. It's located right here.
Okay.
There's one on each side mirror as well.
Uh-huh.
You can actually physically, you can see it and feel it right there.
Okay.
And then there's one in the back. So if you peek in the second row seat, this one has the optional second row heated seats.
Okay.
So they didn't forget about the back seat. Also, this one has the optional sunroof, and you can see it even above the second row. There's the sunroof there.
Oh, yep, see it.
Let's come back here.
We're big car nuts, we know.
Backup camera right there, backup sensors, and these back seats do fold down to give you additional cargo space, but also as you can see here, they can be reclined a little bit. So very versatile for the back seat. You know, a lot of times the back seat gets a little hunched over.
Yeah.
Let's bring you back around here. Keyless entry, so you can lock it, unlock it from here. When you lock it, mirrors automatically fold in, and when you unlock it, mirrors automatically fold out, which is really nice. Passenger seats are going to be manual, but the driver's seats are automatic, so if you need to adjust it at all, there's slide forward and back, you can recline it there. So go ahead, hop in, buckle up, and make yourself comfortable. Now this here is it's a new 2018. For the demonstration purposes, we're going to have the super all-wheel control in snow mode. You can press this to change it from snow, gravel, or auto.
Okay.
So like I said, for demonstration purposes, we're going to have it in snow mode. This here is a touchpad that helps you control the touch screen here. It's just another way, instead of having to reach over and fiddle the touch screen. And honestly, after a day of playing with this, it becomes super easy to use. Heads-up display, so from where you're sitting, you can't tell, but I can see straight ahead and see that I'm going 1 mile per hour right now. So it's just a nice way to keep you focused on the road, another safety feature. So as we approach this, the whole purpose of this demonstration is to show you a pretend icy bridge. Our right wheels are going to start spinning when they hit these rollers on the right.
Gotcha.
And it can shift the power from left to right, forward to back, whatever it needs to do to get you over a slick condition like this. We don't want to send power to wheels that are spinning. We want to send the power to the wheels that have traction to help us keep moving. So we're going to go slow, just so you can really feel what's happening here. So here you've got that spinning. And then just like that, you'll feel the car still goes slow. Another really cool feature is this auto hold. You can engage that at any point of your drive, and if that's on, anytime you come to a complete stop, you can take your foot off the brake, like I just did, and your car's not going to move anywhere until you tap the gas. We got our fake potholes here. So that auto hold comes in handy, say you're coming up to a long stoplight, a train, maybe just like stop and go traffic. So anytime you come to like a stop, like I said, if that's on, come to a complete stop, take your foot off the brake, you can sit there, you don't have to keep your foot on the brake the whole time. Hit the gas and seamlessly just start moving again. Really great handling, it's smooth, steers nice, nice turning radius. Now at the beginning I mentioned 4 cameras. There's a button on the steering wheel that you can press and it'll pull up your camera display on your touch screen here. On your touch screen. As you pull up here, you can use that front camera to see how close you're getting. So if you're in a tight parking situation, you got to get as close as you need to. It scared me. See that? That's cool. So that's the 360-degree view camera that we have here. That uses all 4 cameras to give you a bird's eye view. So you can see all around. Of course, it gets a little distorted just because of the way it's pieced together, but it really gives you a nice view of what's around you. You can also change that camera view to a curb, right side view, so you can see your curb if you are parallel parking. When you put in reverse, you get the nice lines here. Help guide you in, and backup sensors. That'll alert you when you're getting too close to something. Another thing I love about this car is the turning radius. If you ever have to make a tight U-turn, no problem at all. And honestly, this car is priced right. I mean, it starts in below $24,000, fully loaded, can get up into that mid-30 price point. High 20s for fuel economy. So really nice vehicle, a lot of bang for your buck. 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. I mean, that's like one of the best warranties.
Okay, excellent.